Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you guys did watch my last video, I am getting a new lip today. If you look at my car right now, I'm just running the stock SI lip, and these are regular to the sedans as well as a hatchback. And I'm going to remove the whole bottom piece, including that little mesh grill right there. Basically, I'm gonna run a stock bumper with another piece. I am not going to be running the SI one. So comment down below if you guys know what you guys think I'm going to be running. Aside from that, I'm really happy how the little emblems came out. I like it better than the red one, to be honest, than the Type R. And the tint, I'm thinking about getting something darker because you can see through it. This is at 15% right now. I'm thinking about going 8%, not 5%, but 8. And here's the rear emblem. It's fucking sick. So that being said, I'm going to take off the front valance of the bumper and completely take off the bumper as well. That way when the guy gets here, I can go ahead and just take it off and put the new lip on. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys think you know what it is, comment down below on what you think it is. We think it'll make the car stand out a little bit more with just that extra piece. Definitely stand out compared to other SIs. And if you have an SI and you've taken out the bumper before, you already know how much of a pain in the ass it is to take off that bumper. So I'm looking for clip removers right now because I don't remember where I last left it, as well as a 10mm bolt because all my shit is unorganized. So for those of you who have a 10th gen SI or just a 10th gen in general, you already know how much of a pain in the ass is to take off this bumper. You have these clips all around the top part of the bumper to take, and then those clips as well to take off. And aside from that, you have probably the same amount of clips that are on top here on the bottom end of the car, as well as 2 screws on each side of the bumper. And then on top of that, they have these tabs that are in the bottom of the lights that lock into. So if you fuck up that tab, it won't sit flush the way it does right now with the bumper. And before we do the new lip, I just want to show you how the SI one looks like right now. This is just a stock valance. That little black piece you see right there in the bottom, that's pretty much it. It doesn't stick out or anything. It's just literally right below the bumper. So there it is again. You can see that black piece. That's how it looks right now. Just want to show you the passenger side before I do take everything off and show you how it looks like. All right, go ahead.
Bro, I wasn't even speeding.
So what happened?
All right, I was cruising, probably going like 70 maybe, 75, probably like 10 over the speed limit.
Probably 10 over the speed limit.
Huh?
I said supposedly 10 over the speed limit.
Well, it was, but I mean, I wasn't like fucking dipping or anything like that. And nigga, this car's going faster than me. That nigga's a dick. The cop was a fucking dick.
A lot of people don't do this when they take off their bumpers from what I've seen, but to make it easier and not fuck up your tabs, take off the side marker lights, and literally this is the clip that's held in right here, and this is what you're pretty much pushing down on when you take off the bumper. And some people just yank it and this thing bends, and that causes it to not sit flush with the fenders. So that's the major key right there, major key. Don't forget that. You'll have to take off your your side markers to get this fucking tab. Everyone skips that part. But you already know me, as usual, flirting with death because your boy's broke to get some jack stands. I mean, I'm not broke, but I'm too lazy to get it, you know? I mean, why get jack stands when you can use this? It's not like anything's gonna happen as long as you put something else other than a jack to hold your car down. Maybe like a rim or two, something like that, extra support. All we got left to take off on the bottom side is all that clips, and I believe there's 2 Allen key bolts that you're gonna need to take down there. So let me find some Allen keys, because just remember, I don't know where I left them at. Fuck, I hate making trips to stores, man. If I can't find it, I have to go to AutoZone or some shit, and I hate doing that. I literally hate going to stores once I already have everything set up. It's a waste of time. Knowing my luck, I couldn't find any Allen keys, so I just went and bought this. And bottom end, what you're gonna see is, you're gonna see a shit ton of bolts. So starting from the right side of the bumper, there's a 10 mil right there. You need to take all these clips out. This Allen key, more clips along the front, and literally just follow the bumper and you'll be fine. So there you go. There's my car, the bumper, and his car, and he can't get his jacks to go accordingly.
I messed up again.
You messed up again? So what exactly happened?
Oh, supposedly I was speeding. I was just cruising, and the next thing you know, you see the lights behind me. They said, pull to the right. And then I pulled. It was like license and registrations. I was like, I gave it to him. He was like, you have any idea why I pulled you over? And I was like, I don't know. You tell me. And then he said, you were speeding. You're a criminal. I'm giving you a ticket. And that's it.
So if you haven't figured out already what kind of lip I'm going to be rocking, he has the Hatchback Sport, and the Hatchback Sport, they have this kit where if you see the piano black side skirt, and they have the piano black rear diffuser, and the SI, we don't have that. This is a Sport Edition. And if you look at his bumper, it's the same exact thing except for that lip. So there's that black thing that I was talking about, and if you look at mine doesn't pop out. The good thing about having the regular lip is that it's compatible with every lip that's on the market. I've searched lips for the Sport kit, and there's no lips available that'll fit the Sport bumper. We both agreed to trade, so I'll be taking his, he'll be taking mine, and he'll probably be buying a lip. But with this one, I can't run a lip, so I'm just gonna run a splitter underneath it. And that's pretty much it. That's the only difference. So I just figured something out as well. This grill part, you can take off without having to cut it. And I've seen people do it, but they just cut it. They don't actually take the whole thing off. So with mine, and I put on my Instagram before if I should keep it on or cut it. But since I just found out right now that you can take it off, I'm probably just gonna take it off. And if I don't like it, just put it back on. I mean, at least I didn't cut it, and that means if I cut it, there's no way of going back. So I'm just gonna take off this front grille and see how I like it. And if I don't like it, then just throw it back on later when I do my aero. So the work is pretty much done, but I kind of fucked up, and I forgot to connect my fog lights, so I have to take off my bumper again and redo that thing. But look at it, it looks fucking sick. And that's the after, and it's just piano black, and it's glossy, and it sticks out more than the other one does. So you see it curves out right here, and if you look at the one I had, it doesn't stick out anywhere. It's just underneath it. See, you don't see anything popping out. Another one popped out right here and extended and flared out. And here it is again. The Hatchback Sport lower valance on my car. And that's pretty much it. Alright, so I'm at the store. Stater Brothers getting some groceries I need to get really quick. But once again, just like, look at it. Look how clean that thing is. And it goes along with the yellow in the front end of my car. Holy shit, I like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you guys think this is nice, something that's OEM still and clean, because I dig it. I fucking dig it. Oh my god. It's so fucking nice. Thank you guys again for watching this video. That pretty much sums it up. I did go back to the stock, what's this shit called? Side markers, and just look at it. Like, I don't know if the lighting is bad, but look at that. And even the middle piece, it's gloss, and I fucking dig it. It looks so cool. Matches my front end a lot better because I have the glossy grille, and then on top of that, now I have the gloss lip, and it is a direct fit with a hatch support though. The little supporting part in the bottom like this part, the black piece, the wheel well thing, it'll hang down more, so we had to cut his. He was okay with that because with the regular lip valance thing, you get a lot more options for lips that are aftermarket to fit it. Me, I'm left with just rocking this lip, and I cannot throw another lip if I wanted to that is aftermarket. I'm just stuck with this, but my plans is to have this and do my aero. That's why I haven't done my aero, but I've done them for customers, and that's pretty much why I'm waiting. And I also debated if I want to go wide body. I'm not going to go wide body, just stock body with nice aero, nice side skirt extensions. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys again for watching this video. I don't know that many people that did the sport lip swap that I did, the valance. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below how you think it turned out, because I can't stop looking at it. I really can't, because it looks so nice. Like, this makes me like my front end even more, because now you have something actually popping out instead of what it did before, which nothing stood out. It was literally like right under the bumper, and it literally just stuck there. This one, it pops out, it's shiny, matches the grill, everything like that. But before I did decide to go this route, I was looking to get the Basin R lip. That one looked really nice, as well as some other icons, but I was really set with getting the Basin R. But after I thought about this, I was like, you know what? We're gonna keep it. We're gonna keep it this way. I love the way it looks. I love the way it sits. So we're keeping that sport valance on. And for those of you that didn't think it would work, it does work. The only thing is, with the sport lip, the bottom grill, the lower grill is a separate piece. Like this part right here is a separate piece, and it's not connected to the bottom lip. On mine, they were both connected as one piece, so he didn't have the option to take off this grill, and I have the option to take it off. I just choose not to take it off, but that's my opinion. I was debating if I should keep this off, but I didn't. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Comment down below what you guys think about it, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Until then, I'll see you guys next time.